Hello, this is Wen from Periodic Lab, and today we're going to make a super easy initial necklace out of Shrinky dinks. So let's get started. You need a Sharpie, scissors, a hole punch, pliers, nail polish for coloring, and then you need some jump rings and you need a chain. So first thing that you need to do is print out the letter, any font you want. And afterwards, when you print it out, put the Shrinky dink on top and then start tracing. 3, you cut out and trim it. You want to make sure when you trim it that you get the black parts out and cut that out, just because when the Shrinky dink shrinks, that will become a very distinct part of the final product, unless you want an outline. You can also use Sharpies at this point to color it in if you want a solid color, but I find that nail polish works just as well. So number 4, you want hole punch for a jump ring. In this case, I want my crooked, and I just took that out as I needed. Number 5, bake and shrink. Follow your instructions. Also play around with it, because my first one actually ended up curling it on itself and it did not bake very well. So I find that the higher the temp, the quicker it does it. So 6, paint nail polish. I did this out of frame, so you'll see that it is a silver nail polish that I used to make it look like a faux silver kind of look, which I quite liked. So after that, once it dries, you want to put on the jump ring with the chain. Once you have the jump ring in there, what I would do is just test it for length and also see how you like it. This is what it looks like on. From afar, it does look like the real thing. In addition to this video, I have some other ones I'll be putting out on Shrinky dinks, just because you have to buy so many in order to get a package. So if you like it, please subscribe, and I guess I'll see you next time.